This is the iPad of an 11-year-old boy. We're going to swab the touchscreen. We do it the same way each time by beginning with a square to make sure we get even coverage on the tip. Then we go back and forth within our square to make sure we get complete coverage. Now we put it in and activate it. We give it a few light shakes back and forth. Most people don't have a device like this, so they don't know just how dirty these surfaces are. We take the sample and put it in, and now we wait. Now keep in mind, this test doesn't tell you the kind of bacteria that's on here. It just tells us the load. It tells us how much bacteria is on here. So now you can see it's 7563, and we just broke the record here at home. What that means is the tablet here is very, very dirty and has a lot of bacteria on it. So we're going to use our Sani-Powder spray and apply it to a paper towel. It doesn't need to be dripping, but it should be good and damp. You don't want to spray liquid directly onto electronics and get water into the crevices and ruin the device. Fold the cloth in half and use this side to clean the device. Remember, Sani-Powder is a cleaner and a disinfectant. We're going to clean the whole thing. Add more Sani-Powder as needed. Now I'm going to flip it back over and give it one more wipe to make sure I didn't cross-contaminate while I was cleaning the back. We're going to let that dry for 4 or 5 minutes to give Sani-Powder plenty of time to work. Then we'll come back and do the after test to see how much it's cleaned up. We need a dry surface for testing, so we're going to wipe the surface with a dry paper towel to make sure there's no moisture. Now we're going to swab the surface in the same place and the same way as we did before. Now we're pushing the swab down and give it a few light shakes back and forth. As you can see, the device is ready. I'm going to open the lid and pop in the swab. Close the lid, and now we wait for the results. Okay, there you go. You can see that disinfecting with Sani-Powder has gotten the bacteria count down from 7,563 to 6. Sani-Powder is made from HOCl, which is basically salt water, and it's 100 times stronger than bleach. It's hospital-grade disinfection with the safety of saline water.